Hello everyone, I am Prakash Karikar, librarian. Today I am going to give information on how to use and how to access Enlist, Enlist National Library and Information Services infrastructure for scholarly content. Okay, here you see homepage of Enlist and the right side see member login, then click on login. Okay, after that, here show to you required username and password. Your username and password provide on your mail through library. That mail you give to college. If you haven't it, then contact to me, a library staff. Okay, here I put my username and password. Username is our mail ID. Password. Okay, after login, open a list. Here you see search box and below e-books and e-journals publishers links. You can search two types. Directly you search your enter your required subject. For example, I enter here physics, select fill and search. Okay, you see here result on physics included journals and e-books. You select your required book, required journal. I come back. And another way, you can search two publishers links. For example, here American Institute of Physics. I click on it. Here net is slow. Okay, here required mail ID, username and password. Same your mail ID and password enter and login. Okay, next click on do not ask again me and accept. Okay, here open homepage of American Institute of Physics. I click on browse. Here you can see various journals on physics, AIP advances, AIP conference proceedings, APL materials and others, Journal of Applied Physics, Journal of Mathematical Physics. For example, I click on Journal of Applied Physics. Okay, left side you see volume number and bracket in bracket year. I click on it. I select one issue, issue number 4, July 28. Okay, here you see various articles, research paper on these journals. I select one article for download. And then you see arrow on PDF. I click on it. Okay, your PDF is going on processing to downloading. Then I click on next, for example, Indian journals. Okay, PDF download. You can access, use this PDF, your study. Okay, Indian Journal, open homepage of indianjournal.com. Here you see total journal 341, included open access 43, total subject 24. I select subject, click on subject. Okay, here net is slow. Okay, you can see here. See, here is subject alphabetically. I select one subject, biology. Here you see UGC approval journal included in this journal. I select one journal, applied biological research, UGC approval journal. Right side you can see current issue, and left side if you want previous archive issue you can access. Click on archive. Now I click on current issue. Okay, total table contents show here. For example, I click on one article link. Okay, here we see abstract, keyword, and below PDF. Click on PDF. Your PDF ready for download. Same type, you can access other journals. Okay, I come return on home page. Now we see ebooks. Here various publishers: Cambridge Books Online, eLibrary, Ibisco, Hot.net, Hindustan Book Agency, Institute of Southeast Asian Studies, Springer, Sheikh Publication, and other publisher here. Now I select one, eLibrary. Here open homepage of Procast database. You can search directly through search box, and another way you can search advanced search. I click on browse subject. Here see erase subject, environmental study mathematics. I click on mathematics. Okay, here available ebooks for download. You can select any one books, your required book, and download it. Okay. Next, I select Ebisco or .NET Library. Okay, open home page of Ebisco. I click on Ebisco ebook collection. Here you can search directly search box through search box. Left side you see here is subject. I select computer science. Okay. Here come to result. See here is books on computer science, virtualization of beginner's lines, guides, Microsoft Office, PHP, a beginner's guide. I select PHP, a beginner's guide, and click on full PDF text. This book's going on downloading. Same type, other publishers links you can share same type. If any query, any problem about any username, password, please contact me. Yeah, our lab staff. Okay, thank you.